Hello and welcome to this lesson about informal greetings and common phrases. After you have finished this lesson, you should be able to do the following in Afrikaans. Be able to greet people informally. Be able to introduce yourself. Be able to say some basic phrases. There will be no revision for this lesson, and there also won't be a word list. Groet en stel jouself voor. Groet en stel jouself voor. Greet and introduce yourself. Hallo, my naam is. Wat is jou naam? Hallo, my naam is. Wat is jou naam? Hello, my name is. What is your name? Aangename kennis. Aangename kennis. Nice to meet you. Hoe gaan dit met jou? Hoe gaan dit met jou? How are you? Dit gaan goed met my, dankie. En met jou? Dit gaan goed met my, dankie. En met jou? I'm doing well, thanks. And how are you? Watter werk doen jy? Watter werk doen jy? What work do you do? Ek is 'n. Ek is 'n. I'm a. And here are some ideas of what you can say to complete this sentence. Ek is 'n YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber. Ek is 'n programmeerder. Programmeerder. Ek is 'n programmeerder. I am a programmer. Ek is 'n onderwyser, if you're male, or if you're female, ek is 'n onderwyseres. I am a teacher. Werktuigkundige. Werktuigkundige. Mechanic. Dokter. Doctor. Prokureer. Prokureer. Lawyer. Argitek. Argitek. Architect. Skrywer. Skrywer. Writer. Akteur, if you are male, and if you're female, aktrise. Akteur, aktrise. Actor, actress. Ek hou van. Ek hou van. I like. And once again, some ideas of what you can say to complete this sentence. Ek hou van flieks kyk. I like to watch movies. Ek hou van reekse kyk. I like to watch series. Ek hou van stap. I like to walk. Ek hou van hardloop. I like to run. Ek hou van skryf. I like to write. Ek hou van die natuur. I like nature. Ek hou van tale. I like languages. Ek hou van lekker kos. I like good food. Ek hou van kook. I like to cook. Ek moet gaan. Ons praat later weer. Ek moet gaan. Ons praat later weer. I have to go. We'll talk again later. Totsiens. Totsiens. Goodbye. Algemene frases. Common phrases. Asseblief, asseblief, please. Dankie, dankie, thank you. Welkom, welkom, welcome. Dis 'n plesier. Dis 'n plesier. It's a pleasure. Ek is jammer. Ek is jammer. I am sorry. Ek verstaan nie. Ek verstaan nie. I don't understand. Help my. Help my. Help me. Activiteit. Activity. For this activity, I asked my friends to help out. Baie dankie, Ananda and David. So all you need to do is listen to these clips and then see how much of it you can understand. Clip 1.
Goeiedag, my naam is Ananda. Ek is 'n musiekonderwyseres. Ek hou baie daarvan om klavier te speel.
Clip 2.
Hallo, my naam is David. Ek is 'n rekenaarprogrammeerder. Ek hou van Lego bou.
Clip 3. Hallo, my naam is Luzay. Ek is 'n subtitler. Ek's nie seker wat dit in Afrikaans is nie, miskien 'n byskrifter. Ek hou daarvan om langs die see te stap, om Koreaanse reekse te kyk en om saam met vriende te kuier. And now let's see how much of it you were able to understand. Clip 1.
Goeiedag, my naam is Ananda. Ek is 'n musiekonderwyseres. Ek hou baie daarvan om klavier te speel.
Good day, my name is Ananda. I am a music teacher. I love playing piano. Clip 2.
Hallo, my naam is David. Ek is 'n rekenaarprogrammeerder. Ek hou van Lego bou.
Hello, my name is David. I am a computer programmer. I like to build Legos. Clip 3. And I made this one more challenging on purpose. So let's see if you were able to figure this one out. Hallo, my naam is Luzay. Ek is 'n subtitler. Ek's nie seker wat dit in Afrikaans is nie, miskien 'n byskrifter. Ek hou daarvan om op die strand te stap, om Koreaanse reekse te kyk en om saam met vriende te kuier. Hello, my name is Luzay. I am a subtitler. I'm not sure what that is in Afrikaans, maybe a byskrifter. I like to walk on the beach, to watch Korean series, and to visit with friends. Dankie dat julle gekyk het. Ek hoop om julle in die volgende les te sien. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next lesson.